Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, let's take a look at the Amcrest CCTV IP camera that I bought. Okay, so quick specs here. It's POE wherein you can plug the Ethernet cable. It's going to power on, not needing external adapter to power it up. Of course, you can plug a memory card so that you can save the footage within the camera, so you don't need an NVR, a centralized storage. But if you want, you can still have one. Fourth, of course, you can connect it with your phone. They have their app. You can monitor it also in your PC. Easy configuration, vandal proof, outdoor camera. Let's go ahead and I'm going to show you more about this IP camera that I got, more of the configuration and some technical details that I can share with you. Let's just do a quick unboxing. As you can see there, you have a 1 month free of their cloud service if you want to use it. Some stickers for precise drilling. And then you have this like screwdriver with the screws. Then you have the connector cover for the Ethernet cable. Then of course, here comes the Amcrest CCTV. It looks really nice, perfectly packed. Welcome to the world of CCTV. Let's go ahead and try this one with the temporary mountings that I'm going to do because I need to leave my house for like 1 week. So I need to place this one, mount this one right away. So let's just see how it's done. So first up, I'm going to do is place a memory card inside. And if you're going to place a memory card inside, you need to open this one up. Now, the use of the memory card is that everything that the CCTV is going to capture will be recorded inside. So it's safe, all the storage will be there. However, if you don't want to use a memory card, you can use the cloud storage that they are offering. The downside is you need to pay them. That's what I mentioned earlier, that you have a free of 1 month. At the same time, there is an NVR that you are going to buy, but if you're going to buy that one, it will be more expensive. So I advise you, if you're going to buy a NVR, if you have multiple CCTVs, and that's the time you kind of buy an NVR. For now, I only bought one. So I'll just place the memory card, and then maybe later on, if I'm going to add more cameras, then I'll buy a dedicated NVR. Okay? Take note, guys, that the memory card is not included in the package. You get to buy your own memory card. Anyway, I'll place the link on the description below. It's a SanDisk memory card. Just check it out on the description below, all right? Moving on, we are going to test this one with my POE switch. Remember, for this CCTV to work, of course, your switch needs to be a POE switch, power over Ethernet. Okay? So I'll plug this, then I'll plug it to my Netgear. There you go. So we have light indicator there. Okay, next up is to check this one with my phone right away. So that we are not going to waste more time, just go to your App Store or Google Play, search for Amcrest, and then you install their app. So for me, it's already installed, but this is the very first time I'm going to use it. I just cut that footage so that we're not going to waste time. So I'm just going to allow these permissions while I'm using the app. And then it's going to ask me what I'm going to do. Of course, that is a POE camera. And then it will be a P2P connection, all right? And then, okay, I'm going to scan the QR code at the back. There you go. Then I have to set the name. That would be my main, let's say, outdoor main. That's fine. Okay, so it's prompting me to change my password because the default is admin. Okay. Let's do it more complex. As easy as that, we have a video feed right away. So I'm just going to go skip. I learn as I go. All right, so this means that it's working already. So what I'm going to do is deploy this one to the location I want it to be. All right, so cut this one off. So I went out, looked for other materials that I can use so that I can mount this one because it's a bit of temporary. So you can see most of the tools that I use, or I mean the accessories, were just like DIY. And there are some adjustments that we need to do. So for us to calibrate the position or the angle of the camera, we need to open this one up, and I'm going to show it to you. So I'll just unscrew those 3 screws that is already here. Then of course, you can see I can remove this one. There you go. We can adjust the angle like that. See? And then until you find your best fit or the best angle for the footage. You can see while I'm moving this one, I'm already connected on my phone. It's working. So I'm adjusting it for the best angle. Yep. So you can see it on my phone, which is working, right? Okay, it's just a matter of finishing it up. Okay. So just to give you that concept, there you go. That's the adjustment. Like that. All right, that's how it looks like. It's a DIY. I have temporary cover, temporary box. The cable is temporary. I hope nobody's going to cut it for now. It's going to last for a week before I'll do it permanently, right? So anyways, as you can see, it's working. And of course, in my PC, you can also do that one. Just take note of the IP address and then you can view it in your PC if you want to. Okay? So if you have any questions, guys, just drop a comment down below. The product link on Amazon is there in the description. At the same time, the memory card. So it helps if you use that link to buy in Amazon. It helps this channel grow. So if you haven't subscribed in this YouTube channel yet, please subscribe and see you in my next video.